Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be rounding up my favourite things from 2019, so my products. So let's kind of kick off with perfume. So I got this perfume for my wedding day. The baby loves that, and it's beautiful though. I won't take it off the box. It even has my hairpiece in from my wedding day, but it smells absolutely beautiful. I love the bottle so much. It's so good. So on my wedding day I used the whole set, and that's why I bought this. I wanted to have everything, and I think it was like £40 or something. And the body lotion and the shower gel smell divine, so layering it all up. I think by the time I had a shower, I had a shower at like 6 in the morning. We got married at 1, so probably this stuff had probably worn off, but it was lovely having that sort of ritual to do on my wedding morning. And I just love it. It's just always going to remind me of my wedding day, and yeah, Tom helped baked it as well. He liked it, so yeah, that was that. So haircare, I've sort of kind of gone back a step, and I've gone back to the Noughty range, and a couple of reasons for this. It works. I have used higher end stuff that probably works a little bit better. I find you have to use a lot of conditioner, a lot of it, to detangle your hair with this, but it's just the price point as well. This is kind of that mid-ground, so it's not, you know, cheap, but it's not uber expensive, and I like it, and I love the smell of it, and it's easy to get as well. So I actually bought these on the Black Friday sale. So a little tip for you, on their website in the 2019 Black Friday they had 40% off everything, so I got, I think, like 5 bottles and the serums for about £20. It was really cheap, and it all so I got 4, maybe 5 bottles of this, the deep conditioner and the serum, for £24, and it all came the next day as well. So a little tip for you, if you do like Noughty range on Black Friday, I noticed by the way, head to their page. And still like my Wavemaker, so this is my sort of undone easy step. So if I really can't be bothered, I literally wash my hair, towel dry it, as in my microfiber towel. I'll kind of dab it, I don't ever rub my hair, and then just put a little bit of this in, and a little bit goes a long way. I mean, I'm only to there, and I've had this since the summer, so I just whack this in. It just gives me a really loose wave, especially now my hair's shorter. It works really well. So that is that. I've been having bouts of eczema. I started getting it during my pregnancy, and it's sort of been hit and miss since. So I've been getting a bit around my mouth and in between my fingers. So I did some research, and I saw this, which is very highly recommended on like Boots and Superdrug's website. It's Epaderm Cream, so it's doctors approved. It's for eczema and skin conditions. A little bit goes a long way. You can sort of wash your face in this, wash your body, but this was £10, this huge bottle. So it's a Hawaiian Tropic hydration face cream, and it's SPF 30, but I love it. I absolutely love it. I love the smell of it, and my skin just looked better after about a week of using this. I'm not using it at the moment. I'm using my Simple SPF 15, and I like this one because it's, you know, less plastic. I think it's 65% less plastic packaging. So that goes a long way. That's a nice light one, because I've been using hydrating primers as well at the moment. But this is just lovely in the summer, and yeah, it smells great, it lasts a long time, and I've got half of that left, so I got through a bottle and a half in about 6 months, so it lasts a long time. Primers always have to be Smashbox to me, so I tend to mix these. Now this one's really old, I probably shouldn't have it anymore, but this is like the new version of it, which isn't the same. This one's more liquidy, and it's more like iridescent. I've got this one on now mixed with my moisturiser, so that tends to be all I do, is like a illuminating primer and a concealer. But I love mixing these, so like 1 pump of this with a little bit of this over my moisturiser, or vice versa. But this one is a moisturising one, so sometimes I'll just use that on its own above my moisturiser, or I'll mix it with these. Other things I use every day is the Glossier Cloud Paint and Boy Brow. I don't actually have this one on today, but I've had this for almost a year, and I'm down to there. It lasts such a long time, and it's so nice. So a lot of the time this is all I put on. So I have a lash lift, so I've got no mascara at the moment. This is my natural lashes, and I have a lash lift every 8 weeks, and I love it. So then I just throw these on, and then my moisturiser, and then that's it. So I've got this in black, and then you just comb it through, and it just adds a little bit of texture and sets your brows in place. I think this one's drying out now, so yeah. But this is lovely. I'll pop a bit on for you. You've probably seen loads of videos of this, but I'll just put a little bit on each cheek. I've already got some blush on. I have got a video on this anyway, from ages ago. And that's it. Pretty. I really want these in more colours, but I'm doing a no buy year. And then concealer is my Nars Creamy Concealer, and I'll just put a couple of dots under my eyes and over my eyelids. And then if I do want a little bit more definition on my eyelashes, I love the NYX Pencil Slide On Glide On Stay eye pencil, and the colour is Brown Perfection, and it's just a nice dark brown. And I just kind of do a few dots on my eyelashes and then just smudge it in. And that is that. My new discovery this year is the Nars matte lip pencils. I've got this one on. This one is called Do Me Baby. So I've got this one. I like this one for every day. And I've got the Endangered red as well, which is beautiful. So I do really like these. I have to put a lip balm underneath because they are quite drying to me. That's that. And then lash serums have really helped my eyelashes. So UK Lash, Rapid Lash, they work just as well together. And yeah, that is it. They are my favourites. Obviously the Umberto Giovanni Scrunching Jelly is a good favourite of mine as well. I haven't got it on me. And yeah, that's my roundup for 2019. So those are my favourite products. I'm looking forward to exploring more of my unused stuff in 2020. Have a good one, Happy New Year, and I'll see you next one. Bye.